Hello, welcome back to the channel today. Today we are cooking lemon chicken fries with roast potatoes. Finish them off with some French beans, done in some salt and pepper, and finish off with a bit of butter. And let's see what else we can make today. Let's begin. Follow into the kitchen and start. Okay, today I'm showing how I made this. Chicken fries done in lemon and French beans done in butter and salt and pepper and roast potatoes. First thing we're going to do is make a coffee. Time for coffee now because I'm cooking. Okay then, now we need to get some honey out and some mixed spice. Just using this honey and a bit of mixed spice should do well. That's mixed spice there. And a bit of salt and pepper would be nice too. I think that's it for in here. Okay, now we're going to put our mix together for our marinade. We have ginger, garlic, lemons, mixed spice, honey and salt and pepper for the seasoning. Get ourselves a bowl. We need a good lump of honey to it. That'd be enough. And a good handful of salt and pepper. Put a little bit more in, want it quite nice. Put that there, need some lemon juice. Put a lot in, seeds a lot. Chop up the lemon. Put the mixed spice in. That'll be enough mixed spice. That in. Okay, now we need to chop our ginger and garlic up. Now we're going to make a paste. Put some salt in. Carry on chopping it up. Now put this into the bowl for our mix. Blow back over to here, goes in. Clean down, chopping board. Okay, now we are going to grate our ginger. Over here, let's grate it. And all that flavour to go into that bowl. Okay, that's all the flavourings up to now. Let's put some oil in. Now we're going to put some oil in this bowl. Plenty to make our marinade or something. Now we're going to give it a good mix up. Just add a bit more oil to it. Okay, now we're using chicken thighs today. Let's open them. They look nice, these chicken thighs do. What we're doing today is trimming these chicken thighs up. Okay, these are the chicken thighs what I got. Okay, you can see we've got bits of skin, bits of fat around here. I don't want to trim these up. Do each one. That piece two. Okay, see what this one's like. Again, quite a bit of fat on that. Get that little bit of skin away from there. Do the last one. Save that fat for another day. Okay, there you're done. Just trim that slight bit up there. Okay, now we've got a slice of potatoes we're going to now roast these with. Okay, they will do for now. Let's get a baking tray ready. Bring the baking tray over. Move it to the side. Put some oil into the baking tray. Some of this will do. Let's season our baking tray up. Need to get some flavours now. Okay, using this salt and pepper. Let's get plenty in. I'm going to put a touch of this in too. Don't need much. Mix that up. Just more oil in. Okay, now let's put this in the oven and get this oil hot before we put our potatoes in. We're over the oven now. to the top shelf and get that oil nice and hot. Okay then now, let's see how hot this oil is in the oven. Let's get it out. That is starting to get hot now. Let's put our potatoes in it. Oil's in, this is really hot now, but be careful. In the oven now. Okay then, now let's get some oil into our griddle pan. Just need a simple oil, this is going to get hot. We're using this today. Okay, put some oil into the griddle pan. Enough oil. Okay then now, oil's hot, we can put our chicken fries in. Cook that one. Couple of minutes. Then turn them over and see how they go. That one won't take long. Once you do that, it's alright, that seems a bit longer. That's what we guys now. Okay, now we're going to put these in the oven. Okay, now we're going to see how they get. Okay, now we're going to see how they are in the oven. Okay, those are our roasties up to now, cooking nicely. And we're going to see what our chicken's like too. Okay, this is our chicken. Looking quite nice now it is. Put it back in for a bit longer. Now we can get our French beans on and get them cooking too. Okay, our French beans in the pan, make a lot watery. We're going to season at the end. Put them on the heat and put the lid on and come back in 10 minutes. Okay, just going to have a quick look how the beans are going. They're boiling really nicely. Won't be long till they're done. Okay then now, let's get a nice lump of butter in this pan. Let's season that up too. Put our beans back in. Put the lid back on. Give them a few minutes to do. While they're doing, we can get our meat out and our roast potatoes too and get it served up. Goes off to eat. There's our quick look how they're going. Looking nicely. Get them off the heat. Then pull out our rolled potatoes. Rolled potatoes are looking nice too. Look, put our chicken. Got our chicken here. They're looking nice. Just let them drain paper. Got a few rolled potatoes into our plate. for good luck. Put a couple of these on, 2. I think I'm going to have 2 for now. Just get this a good stir. Bring our beans over. Use some of this butter. Chicken thighs done in lemon and French beans done in buttering, salt and pepper and roast potatoes. Let's tuck into this now.